Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Paneer Butter Masala quickly. Heat 2 tablespoon butter in a pan and add 1 tsp cumin, then sauté finely chopped onion until golden. Add 1 tsp ginger garlic paste and chopped tomatoes, cook until soft. Blend to a smooth sauce, return to pan, stir in cream and kasuri methi, add cubed paneer, simmer 5 minutes, garnish with cilantro and serve hot with naan. Use shortcuts to save time. Freeze paneer cubes, use jarred tomato puree and pre-made ginger garlic paste. Sauté onion thoroughly to develop sweetness, which reduces need for sugar. Toast spices briefly to boost aroma. Adjust cream and butter for richness, or use yogurt for tang and lower fat. Keep kasuri methi handy for that signature aroma. Serve with rice or store-bought parathas for a fast meal, ready in about 20 minutes for weeknight. If your gravy is thin, simmer uncovered to reduce and concentrate flavor, or add a little tomato paste. For grainy texture, blend longer and strain for a silkier sauce. To avoid rubbery paneer, gently warm cubes in hot gravy instead of frying hard. Balance sweetness and acidity with a pinch of sugar or squeeze of lemon. Store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days and reheat gently on low heat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.